hidden features in YouTube that you should definitely try. If you've been using YouTube for quite a long time, but you might still not have actually known these features, we'll get started with the first feature, and that is whenever you're watching a certain video, most people want to go to full screen. So when they want to go to full screen, they just tap the square icon from the bottom right to go to full screen and tap on it again to exit the full screen. Most people do this, but there's a very simple shortcut. Even then, just in tapping and locating that, just swipe up from the video to come to full screen and swipe down to come back to the home screen. So you can see how easy that is compared to just tapping on this little icon. Other feature is we can, maybe if you want to do a private search and watch some videos privately, you can come to your profile page and you can tap on this little option that says turn on incognito, and you can only watch or browse the videos in incognito mode and other people won't be able to see it. And you can turn off incognito whenever you wish, and this is another way to do it. Now, if you are watching a certain video but you're leaving in between because you ain't got time to watch them right now, you can just tap the little three dots icon there and you can add them to your save later playlist. You can also download the video to watch them offline if you're not using the internet for quite a long time. That's all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.